guys, it's my Altered Tech back again with an exciting video. In today's video, it's being recorded with the iPhone 16 Pro using the Final Cut Pro app. So this is the Pixel 10 Pro XL, and we do have the Thinborne case with it. And the reason why I'm going for this case is because I had such a great experience with it on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. So this is how the case looks after a year, and to me it looks really damn good. So it holds up pretty good, and it's one of those cases which you could really put your money on and expect it to last for, a couple years. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean this off. Check that out. Looks pretty damn good. Now, there's probably some scuffs here and there. If you were to probably look very closely at it, some marks here and there, probably from putting my keys in a pocket. But if you look at it from afar, you're definitely not going to notice that. So let's go ahead and dive into it real quick. So this is available on Amazon. I'll post a link into the description. Go ahead and rip this off real quick. And if you're getting a new phone, the good thing about this is that it comes with a screen protector. I got some extra just in case. Let's go ahead and rip this off. So for me, it's worth it, because usually I go through 2 or 3 cases within 1 or 2 years. Go ahead and check it out. It's made from Aramid Fiber. It's durable and lightweight. Fingerprint smudges are inevitable. Use a towel to clean them like I just did. Improper installation can cause damage. 6-month warranty. Alright guys, cool. Let's go ahead and get this started. And I've had no issues with wireless chargers, and a lot of people are talking about that new Pixel MagSafe on the back with the Pixel 10. I've been enjoying MagSafe with this Pixel 9 because there is a magnet built into this case. So let's go ahead and check this out. Pretty much the same thing. Nice. Let's go ahead and put that screen protector in. And before I do that, I want to give this a final wipe. So one thing I would probably ask Carl for is one of those, tools which you could go ahead and use it to help you align the screen protector. So I'm going to have to be very, very perfect on this one. Let's go ahead and peel this off and turn that screen on. Okay guys, so every year they come up with these new phones and then they talk about, hey, it's stronger, it's more durable, but still at the end of the day you still want to get a case. But since this is more stronger and durable, it gives me more confidence in getting a thin case like this. So the reason why I like getting these cases is because you get to enjoy the thinness of the phone. You get to actually touch the actual phone itself, like how the buttons are right over here. You guys get to feel that instead of having a piece of rubber over it. And so you get to enjoy the phone while having some protection. And like I said before, Neil deGrasse Tyson, he got me into this. He convinced me into, using my phone without a case, to the point in which I was like, I still need something on it. And I'm not using D-brand skins. I want something that offers some, better protection and something that feels premium. And these Aramid Fiber cases, they definitely do the trick. So, brand new case, looks gorgeous. Got some camera lip. You guys can see that. Nice. And just comparing this to the Pixel 9 Pro, I think it has a little bit more of a camera lip. It goes a little bit more around it. So that's cool. And on the bottom, you got that dual speakers, it looks like. You got the volume rocker, power button. Everything looks good. So after 1 year of usage, it's probably gonna look like this. You can't beat that. So Anyways, guys, this is the Thinborne case for the Pixel 10 Pro. If you guys have any questions on this, be sure to let me know. This is Alter Tech signing out. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Take care. Peace.